The settings page is where Logic Monitor administrators can manage the global settings for the account. There's lots of functionality available here, so we'll start from the top and go through the menu. The audit logs provide a running log of events that affect your Logic Monitor account. It's quite useful for tracking changes because all significant user actions are logged here. Under account information, you'll find account level settings such as the time zone, contact settings, security settings, the version you're on, as well as several cosmetic settings and your billing information. All alert routing is configured within the settings page as well, under the Alert Settings section. The alert settings allow you to create escalation chains, which are a series of recipients who will receive notifications, and then alert rules, which tell Logic Monitor which alerts should be routed to which recipients. Recipient groups allow for the grouping of users based on organization or level of recipient alert messages. Under the Collectors section, you'll be able to view all of the collectors that are already installed, as well as download new installers to add additional collectors. From the collector management menus, you'll have the ability to control and access the logged information from each of the collectors, bulk change assigned devices, schedule collector upgrades, and group collectors. The integration section allows you to create custom alert delivery methods. There are several pre-built integration types, and you can also build your own custom integration. Ops notes are point-in-time messages that track events generated outside Logic Monitor and keep them in line with Logic Monitor data. Ops notes can be configured to display globally or only on certain graphs. Logic modules are templates for monitoring devices, subsystems, applications, events, properties, configurations, and jobs. Logic module definitions include automation, discovery, data storage templates, display, and custom alert messages. Each Logic module library comes pre-populated with a large set of industry-tested modules which incorporate best practices to generate actionable intelligence. Users also have the ability to build their own custom Logic modules from the settings page. You'll also see an import option, which allows you to keep your Logic module library current with our up-to-date modules and changes. Under the Message Templates section, you can manage the default message templates for new user creation and alert messages. Most device alerts will include custom messages based on the data point that triggered the alert, but the subject line comes from the default templates. Any data point alert that does not have a custom message will inherit whatever message is configured here. NetScan policies allow for the automated discovery and adding to monitoring of devices across a network or multiple networks. NetScans can be based on the output of a script or a CSV, can be configured to scan a range of EC2 servers, or can be configured based on a range of IP addresses. Each NetScan can be run on a one-off basis or can be scheduled to recur at a certain interval. Lastly, we have user access. Within this section, administrators can configure roles to assign specific permissions to specific users. Administrators also have the option to configure single sign-on within this section.